Mummy, have you got any sailing music?
Ooh, I think I have.
Is it a great big orchestra?
No, it's a piano on its own. Now this piece is soft and gentle, and it moves smoothly. See what you think. This is Gymnopédie No. 1 by Eric Satie.
We're in a boat. Fudge is at the top of the mast, feeling a bit seasick. There's lots of other boats too. All the boats are moving together. They are dancing. Fudge is falling from the mast. Oh! Fudge has landed on the back of a beautiful swan. Now there are lots of swans. They're dancing too. Don't the swans dance beautifully? Perhaps we should dance together. Come on, Fudge. What lovely dancing!
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.